How to get rid of my AI on Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can get rid of my AI on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get rid of my AI on Snapchat, it's basically very simple. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Snapchat app, and let's say you come to the chat page, you would be able to see this my AI icon from the very top, which is sometimes very boggling and bothering for you. If you'd like to remove it, it's very simple. Long press on the my AI app icon. Here you'll find chat settings, and here you'll find clear from chat feed or unpinned conversation. Selecting any of these options is going to remove my AI from your top of the chat feed. Now, unfortunately, these two options are only available if you are a Snapchat premium user. So if I just tap the Bitmoji avatar from the top left, you can see I have got a Snapchat Plus subscription, which means I'll only be able to use it once you have Snapchat Plus. So just tap on it, and here you can see my AI. You can simply choose to unpin this if you'd like, and my AI will get removed from your home page on Snapchat, as you can see. This way you'll be able to remove my AI on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.